مدينة 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 النبي مدينة 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 النبي
In my dreams I make my way to Medina, the home and chosen place of our beloved prophet, where all I feel is peace and so much joy around. No better place for me. Yeah, Medina, Medina, Medina to Nabi, Medina, Medina. That's where I wanna be. Medina, Medina, Medina to Nabi, Medina, Medina. That's where I wanna be. Oh, oh, Medina, Medina. Oh, oh, Medina, Medina. I wake with the morning light in Medina. Everywhere I see blue skies set above these mountains. Bright colors fill the streets, a smile on every face, a special place for me. Yeah, Medina, Medina, Medina to Nabi, Medina, Medina. That's where I wanna be. Medina, Medina, Medina to Nabi, Medina, Medina. That's where I wanna be. Oh, oh, Medina, Medina. Oh, oh, Medina, Medina. طلع البدر علينا من ثنيات الوداع وجب الشكر علينا ما دعا لله داع.
So once we got off at the underground car park, we managed to get all our luggage sorted out. There were trolleys and everything. You've got to treat it like an airport, really, basically. Just ensure, obviously, when you're getting a taxi, that you check everything. One person just goes back into the back of the taxi, checks all bags and everything, the usual sort of checks. Once we got all our luggage on the trolley, it was up to the arrivals. So you need to catch a lift. Obviously, if you're a big party, 2 or 3 trips up the lift. But once we got up to the main arrivals and departure terminals, subhanAllah, the actual train station itself is unbelievable. The architecture, as you can see, really, really beautiful, stunning train station.
وجب الشكر علينا ما دعا لله داع. أيها المبعوث فينا جئت بالأمر المطاع، جئت شرفت المدينة، مرحبا يا خير داع. مدينة 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 النبي، مدينة مدينة. That's where I wanna be. مدينة 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 النبي، مدينة مدينة. That's where I wanna be.
Right, so we're in Makkah train station. It took about 20 minutes, I want to say 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes, not long at all, to get here. We are boarding the 5 o'clock train 01170, departs at 5 p.m. and what is it now? It's 3:39 and we've arrived a little bit too early. That's fine, which is what I wanted. Just so we're not rushed and we know that all our luggage is fine and everything. There's 11 of us travelling, obviously, with all of our luggages. So everyone's just chilled, relaxed, blood pressure low. And if I just show you, there it is. If I just flip the camera around, you will see the departure board. It doesn't feel like a train station. It feels more like a airport because you go through the whole check-in process, luggage, weight of luggage. So it's 25 kg per passenger plus your hand luggage. Then you've got a side bag, so just like a plane. So I'm hoping we should be okay. I've got my main luggage. I've got. I'm not sure about the weight, if I'm honest. We're in such a rush. We packed everything up. I don't know where I put my weighing machine to check, but it should be okay. 25 kg, inshallah. And then we've got my we've got my backpack, and then we have my laptop bag, which I'm hoping should be okay. I do have one of these kind of like all-weather sandal bags, so hopefully they won't kind of count that as anything. But yeah, it's one of the airport itself. Stunning. And if I just flip the camera around, we got dropped off at the bottom in the underground car park. One lift, so the lift is just there, that column there, and we came straight up to the arrivals and connections area, which is this grand big open space, straight through the departures, going through there where they check all the luggage and your tickets and everything. You go through check-in just over here, and you then obviously do all your boarding and bits and pieces over there as well, and then go through for departures.
In my dreams I make my way to Medina, the home and chosen place of our beloved prophet, where all I feel is peace and so much joy around. No better place for me. Yeah, Medina, Medina, Medina to Nabi, Medina, Medina. That's where I wanna be. Medina, Medina, Medina to Nabi, Medina, Medina. That's where I wanna be. Oh, oh, Medina, Medina. Oh, oh, Medina, Medina. I wake with the morning light in Medina. Everywhere I see blue skies set above these mountains, bright colors fill the streets, a smile on every face, a special place for me. Yeah, Medina, Medina, Medina to Nabi, Medina, Medina. That's where I wanna be. Medina, Medina.
So we've just gone through the security and we've come up one floor. When you get your QR code and everything, you'll beep it through one by one. Each passenger will go through. Just a reminder, you've got a 25 kg limit, even though some airlines, obviously the airline we came through, Egypt Airlines, at 23. We have bought some stuff, so I'm hoping it's going to be 25 kg. As I said earlier in the video, I don't know where I place my weighing scales, so keep those sorts of things handy when you're leaving the hotel, checking out. You then got your hand luggage and then a side bag that's allowed as well. So we've just come up to the departure, and you can see our train is 01170, which is platform 9 at 5 p.m. Sorry, platform 9, there we are. Platform 9 at 5 p.m. So you can hear the microphone announcement going on now. That's probably some background information they're giving, but they'll call the coach for platform 9, and then we'll, I'm assuming, because so far that nobody's asked to check the luggages in terms of weight and size. I don't know if that's going to be downstairs. I'll update obviously when I get down there, but just going through here, you've got the waiting area just over here. That's my family just there. I don't know, where have they gone? Oh, they've moved, they're over there. But really open space. I mean, I've never seen something like a train station or an airport this spotless, this shiny, and so open spaced. Alhamdulillah, it is absolutely the most amazing place I've seen in terms of transit and transport. Royal Jordanian Airport as well was beautiful like this, but this is something else. this is something else. So yeah, the next shot, hopefully it'll be me on the train. I'm not going to film the whole sort of going downstairs and if there is the idea of security there, but hopefully the next will be us actually on the train.
Medina, Medina, Medina Nabi, Medina, Medina, that's where I wanna be. Medina, Medina, Medina Nabi, Medina, Medina, that's where I wanna be. Oh, oh, Medina, Medina, oh, oh. مدينة مدينة طلع البدر علينا طلع البدر علينا مدينة مدينة طلع البدر علينا من ثنيات الوداع وجب الشكر علينا ما دعا لله داع أيها المبعوث فينا جئت بالأمر المطاع جئت شرفت المدينة مرحبا يا خير داع مدينة 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 النبي مدينة مدينة that's where I wanna be مدينة 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 النبي مدينة مدينة that's where I wanna be oh oh مدينة مدينة oh oh مدينة مدينة oh oh
Tell folk that not to sit down here because we've got allocated seats.
Say again?
We've got allocated seats. What I'm not seeing only got luggage or Oh.
The front one, the back one.
You got it? Well. He's got his weight distribution wrong. So we are on the train now. It literally was just straight coming down the lift and hopping straight onto the train. They didn't check any of our luggage or weights or anything like that. When I booked it, I looked at the seating plan or seating chart as it were. And as you can see, I decided to put all of our seats, 11 of us, near, you can see it on the seating plan, near where the luggages are. So it just gives you that extra peace of mind. It just gives you that extra peace of mind with regards to knowing that your luggage is okay and you can keep an eye on it and stuff like that as well, especially backpacks, if you've got things like cameras, laptops and things like that. So inshallah, we are due to arrive at 7:20 and due to depart in 8 minutes time. We'll see you on the other side.
Bright colors fill the streets, a smile on every face, a special place for me. Yeah, Medina, Medina, Medina Nabi, Medina, Medina, that's where I wanna be. Medina, Medina, Medina Nabi, Medina, Medina, that's where I wanna be. Oh, oh, Medina, Medina, oh, oh, Medina, Medina. طلع البدر علينا من
coming off the train, going into Medina station, very much like Makkah station, really open space, beautiful, stunning buildings, subhanAllah. Coming out, you are going to be greeted by many people asking you whether you need a taxi or not. We decided, based on the fact that we needed 2 cars, we had a lot of luggage, we wanted to get one of the green taxis, which is kind of like the Saudi black cabs. Now, you are going to expect to find that the prices are that much higher. I had a contact in Saudi who gave us an idea of the prices. We were looking to achieve something between 60 to 100 Riyal per car. Initially, we were told 200 Riyal per car by this gentleman in the green cab. And when we told him that we didn't want to get one of their cabs, he put the price down immediately to 100 per car. It is a little bit more on the upper side of the boundary that we were told 60 to 100 Riyal, but because these were licensed cabs, we decided to take the hit on that payment. So that's around about 20 quid per car, which is kind of like UK prices. It took around about 20 to 25 minutes, and here we are in Medina.
Medina, Medina to Nabi.